Planning is critical. Harvey really brought that to the forefront, that without adequate planning, we would have utter chaos, and that's exactly what occurred.
We believe that our community should be informed. We believe that they should be educated so that they can have the knowledge to address the issues and concerns in their communities. We believe that they should have the resources or the networking ability to contact, to obtain those resources, and from a political perspective, being able to hold our elected officials accountable.
This community science disaster response toolkit is what we're working on here.
An emergency plan, so we can tell the government and other organizations when something happened, we have organized this and we need this from you.
What do we need to have on hand before, during, and after a disaster so that we can collect evidence of what's happening to us? How do we filter our own air and water? How do we show that there was a chemical spill? How do we set up communications?
It's empowering the community, I think that's the most important thing.
There are lots of different kinds of people in the room and involved in different ways, from community activists, from people who are really impacted by, environmental concerns, who are just trying to learn like everyday citizens.
And it's great to share ideas and try to help each other out.
But to gain more ideas is important, and to make connections.
I feel that a lot of them will be long-term, if not lifelong, relationships, and I don't have any qualms about contacting or calling anyone that I've met here to ask a question.
And I've made some great new contacts, and like the lady from Dallas is doing a project similar to mine. It's like real cool. We're going to try to keep in touch and share the information we're learning from both organizations. And
I come here looking for something. I gather it, I get it, and then I take that back so I can share it with others.
I have actually learned some things that I absolutely did not know. Things that are going to be very useful in my community.
But until you actually experience it, till you see and become a part of it itself, and experience that connectedness, that unity, that desire and willingness to create something, to brainstorm, to barnstorm, to actually build something, and you had an input in it, that's perhaps the most exciting part.